Why won't those tiny black dots on your nose or white bumps on your face go away? Those are blackheads and whiteheads, clogged pores filled with dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. And here's the shocking part: if left untreated, they can lead to bigger breakouts and infections. But don't worry, I'm going to show you a simple, natural home remedy that removes them safely, and your skin will thank you. Hi everyone, welcome back to Essential Cures. If blackheads and whiteheads have been ruining your confidence, you are not alone. The good news is, you don't need expensive creams, harsh chemicals, or salon treatments to get smooth, clear skin. Today, I'll teach you a natural method using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. By the end of this video, you'll know how to remove blackheads and whiteheads safely at home and keep your pores clean naturally. Understanding blackheads and whiteheads. Before we dive into the remedy, let's understand why they appear. Blackheads happen when pores are clogged with oil and dead skin and exposed to air. They oxidize and turn black. Whiteheads, on the other hand, are closed clogged pores, so the clog stays white. Factors like excess oil, dead skin buildup, makeup residue, or even pollution can make them worse. Ingredients and their benefits. For our home remedy, you'll need just 3 ingredients. 1. Sugar, a natural exfoliant that scrubs away dead skin cells and clears clogged pores. It's gentle enough for your skin but effective at removing impurities. 2. Coconut oil, helps moisturize and nourish your skin while its antibacterial properties prevent infections. It also softens the skin to make blackhead removal easier. 3. Vaseline, petroleum jelly, works as a binder for the paste and traps moisture. It softens your skin so blackheads and whiteheads can be removed without harsh pulling or irritation. Step-by-step process. Mix the paste. Take 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. Mix well until you get a thick, grainy paste. The sugar gives a scrubbing texture, coconut oil moisturizes, and Vaseline keeps it smooth and protective. Apply on problem areas. Gently apply the paste to areas with blackheads or whiteheads, usually the nose, chin, or forehead. Be careful around sensitive areas and avoid any broken skin. Massage gently. Using your fingertips, massage the paste in small circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. This action exfoliates the skin and loosens dirt trapped in pores. Don't scrub too hard. Gentle pressure is enough. Let it sit. Leave the paste on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, the sugar continues to exfoliate, coconut oil penetrates and nourishes your skin, and Vaseline softens the pores for easier removal of blackheads and whiteheads. Rinse off. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Gently pat dry with a clean towel. You should immediately notice your skin feels smoother, softer, and cleaner, and those stubborn blackheads are much less visible. Additional tips for best results. Use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week. Overdoing exfoliation can irritate your skin or make blackheads worse. Always moisturize after using this paste to keep your skin hydrated and prevent oil overproduction. Keep your hands and any tools you use clean. Never squeeze blackheads with dirty hands. It can cause infection. Combine this with other natural care habits like drinking water, cleansing your face twice daily, and avoiding heavy, pore-clogging makeup. If you try this natural remedy, comment below and tell me how it worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who struggle with blackheads, and subscribe to my channel for more simple and effective skin care tips. Say goodbye to blackheads and whiteheads and hello to glowing, smooth skin, naturally.